We're now working on lesson 8.4, formulas and application problems. Solve for the indicated variable. The notes that you have printed out from my math lab that I provided for you look like this. They give you step-by-step, word-by-word instructions on how to do this. Example 1a, solve W equals KFR divided by V squared for V. We want to get V by itself and everything else on the other side. Step 1, multiply both sides by V squared. V squared W equals KFR. Step 2, divide by W. Now we have V squared equals this expression. In order to get V by itself, we need to take the square root of both sides. V equals plus or minus the square root of KFR over the square root of W. Since we're not allowed to leave a square root symbol in the denominator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the square root of W. Final answer, V equals plus or minus the square root of KFRW all over W. One B. Solve D equals the square root of 4a over pi for a. We want to get a by itself. So we want to get rid of that square root symbol. In order to do that, we're going to square both sides. D squared equals 4a over pi. Now, you don't want this divided by pi down here, so multiply both sides by pi. Pi d squared equals 4a. One more step. Divide by 4. We got it done. A equals pi d squared divided by 4. Let's do one or two from homework. Homework number 1. Solve E equals XC squared for C. Divide both sides by X. C squared equals E over X. Take the square root of each side. C equals plus or minus the square root of E over the square root of X. You know that you have to get rid of that square root symbol. Multiply the denominator by the square root of X. Same thing in the numerator. C equals plus or minus the square root of EX all over X. Final answer. There are some word problems in this lesson. I think the easiest way for me to help you with these word problems is to just write them out, scan them, and email them to you. So look for an email for lesson 8.4 word problems. I will scan those, send them to you, and you can just copy that and have it to look at. If you need help on any of this, feel free to contact me by either email or phone.